Alright guys, here we are for update number 2 for Ruddyman Grooming. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, and gear tips, then you have come to the right place. Today is update number 2 for Ruddyman Grooming and Year of the Beard. So, what is Year of the Beard? 12 companies, 12 months. Each company gets their own month of their products only going in this beard. So for the month of August, we're looking at Ruddyman. We've already had one update. So you can check out the cards up top. There will be a card for the unboxing video as well as update number 1. So today, like I said, is update number 2. We're going to be talking about, if I can get it out here, we're going to be talking about Whistle Punk. All right, again, part of the Sawyer series, and we're going to be talking about Whistle Punk in the oil as well as the summer butter. All right, so let's put the butter to the side and let's do oil first. So our ingredients on the oil is really small, so it's going to take me a second here. Fractionated coconut oil, golden jojoba oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil, fragrance, and essential oils. So we've got a fox wearing a flannel shirt. It is a Whistle Punk. All right, so that's the ingredients on the oil. Let's talk about the summer butter. So the ingredients on the summer butter: shea olein, fractionated coconut oil, golden jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, essential and fragrance oils. So look at that. Just looks really cool. Love the new style labels and logos that he has on here. It just looks really good. All right, so let's talk about scent profile. Scent profile on Whistle Punk: amber, oud, campfire, and warm cologne. So get a shake on this. So the oil is going to have a little bit of a yellow tint to it, not real dark, and again, it's more of a lighter weight oil. And in the bottle, when I smell this in the bottle, I get the amber and the oud in kind of a mix, and it smells really good. Now when I warm this up in my hand, that's when that campfire just slaps you in the face, and it smells absolutely amazing. I don't get the campfire when I just smell it in the bottle. It's when I warm it up is when I get that campfire. So I love Whistle Punk. It smells really good. Now the summer butter, the sun's not going to cooperate with me there, but the summer butter, this is, if you've never used a summer butter, this is just a thicker version of the oil, and it's already liquefied, so it's not going to be you're not going to have to emulsify it down and break it down and melt it in your hand. It's already a liquid, and I can tell you it is thick and it is amazing. I'm not going to put any in my hand because I didn't bring anything out here to wipe my hands off, and I've already got product in my beard, but I can tell you it doesn't look it in here, but it is a thicker oil. But it is a liquid beard butter, absolutely amazing. It smells exactly like the oil. Some days I've worn just the oil, some days I've worn just the butter. I've mixed them together, worn both of them, and it's awesome. I can put the butter in. If I normally take my showers in the morning, but a couple days this week I took a shower at night and I put a little bit of oil in just to get my skin moisturized. Then I put the summer butter in and went to bed, and when I woke up I could still smell the campfire. I could still smell the hints of oud and the hints of amber, and it smells really good. So during the day, doing normal work and daily tasks, the scent on this lasted pretty close to 8 hours. Now the days that I wore a mask, because I hate wearing a mask, and normally the mask that I wear is kind of a neck gaiter, So what I've noticed is, I'm going to do a whole nother video on that, but what I've noticed is any beard product that I wear, while I'm wearing that neck gaiter, it just seems to just soak in that beard product, and it pulls that scent out too. It just muffles that scent down a lot, and so the days that I wore a mask, the scent did not last 8 hours. However, the days I didn't wear a mask, I could smell this when I got home from work. I could smell this closer to the end of the day, and it smells really, really good. So, prices. Let's talk prices. The oil, $18. The summer butter, $25. Or you can get a combo of the oil and the summer butter for $40. Pretty good prices for that, and what you get out of this is absolutely amazing. 4 fluid ounces of a liquid butter, that's a lot, and it's $25 if you want to get just this. So definitely get over to Ruddy Man and check it out. Links will be in the description below. I recommend it. This was the first time I've used a liquid butter, a summer butter, and I enjoyed it the week I used it. I enjoyed it over this past week. It was really good. Felt really good in beard. So yeah, Whistle Punk, Amber, Oud, Campfire, and Warm Cologne. Next week, we're talking about another scent. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to turn on your notifications so you're notified when those videos drop. And that's it, guys. Until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.